Hello, welcome back again to my channel. So we'll be looking at how to create these loops that was used to style this fascinator. Okay, this is more like a fascinator loops then styled with feathers. So we'll be looking at how to achieve it. Okay, so meanwhile I created mine with lesser fabric, and that's why you just have it as simple as this. Okay, I used only 3 yards, and trust me, for the first design, the person actually used up to 8 yards or 10 yards. Okay, so my material is the tubular crinoline, and then I have this plastic millinery wire. You can find this in any millinery shop that you have around. Okay, so first thing, I'm going to be passing the plastic wire inside the tubular crinoline. I will pass it till it gets to the end of the tubular crinoline. Okay, if you are new to my channel, thank you for joining me in today's class, and to all my subscribers, I appreciate you all. Thank you for sticking with me, and I hope by the end of this lesson you will find value watching this video. And if you do so while watching it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, encourage me, leave me a comment, and I will appreciate. Okay, so I'm going to be passing this thing till I get to the end. Then we'll move to the next step. All right. Okay, so now that I've gotten to the end, I simply applied some glue, and then I'm going to be tying it. And I will also repeat this for the other end. This is just to make sure that your tubular crinoline sticks with the wire. Okay, if you leave it open just like that, you find out that the wire will keep pulling off. All right. So in order to secure it, simply tie, glue and tie. Okay. Now, to tie the other end, watch what I'll be doing right now. While moving down, I'm going to be pulling it, a kind of dragging it. This is in order to make it tiny. While practicing this, you understand that if you don't drag it this way, you see that the tubular crinoline looks bigger than this. Okay, so if you want the loops to look tiny, drag and pull till you get to the other end. All right, and once you reach there, you cut it off and also apply your glue, and also go ahead to tie it. All right. Guys, this is ready for me to use and form my loops. So you go ahead and watch how I'm going to be twisting it. Remember that this tutorial is just for a guide. You can actually twist it in any way of your choice. And also note that I said at the beginning, if you would love to be achieving exactly the same fullness of the first fascinator I showed, please make use of up to 8 yards or 10 yards. What I use for this tutorial is simply 3 yards, and just for my teaching. This is not for a client, okay? So if you want to achieve that fullness you have in the other pink fascinator, make sure you are working with up to 8 to 10 yards of your tubular crinoline and also of your plastic wire. All right? I hope you're following how I am twisting it. I believe you can twist yours even finer than mine. So go ahead to do that. All right. So once you have done, secure it with a thread. Okay. And what you simply do is to tie it around. If you like, you can apply some glue and then tie it all over. Just make sure that it's well secure and it's no longer losing. Now, this time I want to introduce my feathers. Okay, So I'm simply finding a way I need it to be placed. So I will go ahead to apply some glue at that point, okay? And after that, I will stick my feathers on it and also tie it together, all right? And also tie it together to the loops, all right? Just make sure that while working your fascinator, do anything possible to make sure that it's firm and it's something that is durable, not something that when a customer gets and all that, you start getting complaint, oh, it's losing, oh, is this? No, no, no. You can apply some glue and still go ahead to tie. There is no one straightforward rules to this. Just make sure you are creating a masterpiece and also a masterpiece that is durable. All right. So I'm simply tying my feathers to this. All right. And after that, I will secure it and just cut it off. All right. So as you can see that I've formed these very loops and the feathers. Okay. So go ahead to place it on your Alice band at any position you want it to be. Then you hand stitch it to the Alice band. All right. You can also apply some glue before hand stitching any way you choose. Just hand stitch at the very position you want it to be. If you want it to be on the side or on the top, but preferably fascinators has to stay by the side to give you that beautiful fitting. Okay, so you just fix it there, and there you have it. You have your fascinator. At that point which you have done your stitches, you can go ahead to apply some maybe roses, maybe beads, maybe applicators, maybe trimmings, anything of your choice. All right. So if you find value watching my tutorials, please go ahead to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you have any question, I'll respond to it. So you leave it in the comment section. Also, okay, so keep watching and keep learning.